Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're looking at a crucial component for anyone needing to bring their DJI Mavic Air 2 drone back to life. The core board, specifically replacement main board repair parts. When a drone like the Mavic Air 2 suffers damage, especially to its internal electronics, the core board is often the heart of the issue. Finding reliable replacement parts is absolutely essential, and that's where something like this comes in. This particular part is presented as a 100% original accessory for the DJI Mavic Air 2. For drone components, especially something as critical as the main board, using original parts is paramount. It ensures compatibility with all the other complex systems within the drone. The sensors, the motors, the communication modules, everything needs to work together seamlessly. Non-original parts, while sometimes cheaper, can introduce unforeseen issues affecting performance, reliability, and potentially even safety. Knowing this is an original accessory provides a significant level of confidence that the repaired drone will function as intended, maintaining the flight characteristics and features that make the Mavic Air 2 such a popular drone. The description highlights that this is designed to replace a damaged original board. This isn't just a generic electronic component. It's specifically manufactured to fit and function within the Mavic Air 2 chassis and ecosystem. The ease of installation is mentioned, which, while drone repair always requires care and technical skill, suggests that the part is designed for straightforward replacement within the drone's existing structure. This is a big plus for technicians or experienced hobbyists undertaking the repair themselves. Furthermore, the quality aspects are emphasized. Fine craftsmanship and high quality suitable for professional use. This speaks to the manufacturing standards of the part. A core board is a complex piece of electronics with many delicate connections and components. Fine craftsmanship means precise manufacturing, ensuring all solder points are solid, connectors align perfectly, and the board fits correctly into its designated spot within the drone. High quality for professional use implies it meets the rigorous standards expected in a repair environment, where reliability is non-negotiable. Durability and a long lifetime are also listed as key features. Given the stresses a drone can undergo, from flight vibrations to potential minor impacts, having a core component that is wear-resistant and built to last is vital. Replacing a core board is a significant repair, and you wouldn't want to have to repeat it anytime soon. A durable part contributes to the overall longevity of the repair drone, making the effort and cost of the repair a worthwhile investment. Essentially, this replacement core board offers a path to restoring a damaged DJI Mavic Air 2. By providing an original, high-quality, and durable component, it allows owners or repair services to fix drones that might otherwise be considered irreparable or too expensive to fix with unreliable parts. It's about getting that valuable piece of equipment back in the air, performing reliably, and extending its useful life. For anyone facing a damaged Mavic Air 2 core board, this type of original replacement part appears to be a critical solution for a successful and lasting repair.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.